Have you ever wished for a better life? A life where every day feels like a new adventure, filled with endless possibilities and boundless joy. A life filled with joy, success, and purpose. Imagine waking up every morning with a sense of excitement, knowing that you are on the path to achieving your dreams. You have the power within you to make it happen. It's called visualization. Visualization is a powerful tool that can transform your life in ways you never thought possible. Visualization is like daydreaming with a purpose. It's about focusing your mind on the things you want to achieve and imagining them as if they are already happening. It's about creating a clear picture in your mind of the life you desire. When you visualize, you are setting a powerful intention that guides your actions and decisions. When you visualize, you're not just wishing, you're creating a plan. You're mapping out the steps you need to take to turn your dreams into reality. You're telling your mind and the universe what you truly want. And when you do this consistently, you start to attract the people, opportunities, and resources you need. And the best part? The more you visualize, the closer you get to making it real. It's like planting a seed and watching it grow into a beautiful tree. So get ready to unlock the magic inside you and start creating your dream life. The journey begins with a single thought, a single vision. Embrace it, nurture it, and watch as your dreams come to life. What exactly is visualization? It's a powerful tool that can transform your dreams into reality. It's simply the act of creating a mental picture of something you want. By visualizing, you are setting a clear intention for your mind to follow. It's like watching a movie in your head, but you're the director. You have the power to shape every scene and every detail. Imagine your dream life in vivid detail. What do you see? What do you hear? What do you feel? Picture the colors, the sounds, and the emotions. Engage all your senses to make it as real as possible. The more senses you involve, the more immersive and effective your visualization will be. Feel the excitement of achieving a big goal. Let that joy and satisfaction fill you up. Smell the salty air at your dream beach house. Imagine the gentle breeze and the sound of the waves. Taste the victory of reaching a milestone. Savor the sweetness of your success. The more real it feels, the more powerful your visualization becomes. This practice can help you stay motivated and focused on your goals. Ready to bring your vision to life? Let's get started. Start by setting aside a few minutes each day dedicated to visualizing your goals. Find a quiet place where you can relax and let your mind wander freely. Close your eyes and imagine your dream life as if it's happening right now. Another powerful tool is creating a vision board for yourself. Find images and words that represent your goals and dreams vividly. Place your vision board somewhere you'll see it every single day. This serves as a constant reminder of what you're working towards achieving. Visualization is a powerful tool, but it's not magic on its own. It's the first step in a journey that requires dedication and effort. When you visualize, you create a mental image of what you want to achieve, which can be incredibly motivating. You need to pair it with action. Without action, your dreams remain just that, dreams. Start by setting clear, achievable goals that will guide you on your path. Break down your big goals into smaller, manageable steps. This makes the process less overwhelming and more attainable. Each small step you take brings you closer to your ultimate goal. What can you do today to move closer to your dream life? Even the smallest action can have a significant impact over time. Consistency is key. Remember, the journey to your dreams is a marathon, not a sprint. It requires patience, perseverance, and resilience. There will be challenges along the way, but each one is an opportunity to grow. Be patient with yourself and celebrate every step you take. Recognize your progress and reward yourself for your hard work. This will keep you motivated and focused. Every small win is a step in the right direction. These victories, no matter how minor they may seem, are building blocks to your success. Keep visualizing, keep taking action, and watch as you create a life you love. Your dreams are within reach if you stay committed and believe in yourself.